Hi, today we're going to talk about business proposals and we're going to understand how we can create PDF files for business proposals completely on automation. So, as you can see, this is a business proposal document which I have created in a Google document. And corresponding to this template, I also have a Notion database which I have created separately. So, this is a business proposal database which we'll be using, and what we'll do is we'll generate a PDF file one by one for every record of this database, utilizing the information from the database with the help of this Google document as the source of template file. So we'll use this template file and we will use this Notion database and we'll automate the generation of PDF file for every record of this database. How is it possible? First of all, we need to head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help us create the entire automation setup. Click on get started and simply choose your account for the sign in. So I will choose one of my accounts from this list. Click on continue and make sure this checkbox is enabled. So once you enable this checkbox, only then it will be able to access your files and then you can generate the PDFs. Click on continue and then you will land up on this dashboard where you can start adding all the things for your requirement. So first is we need to add a Notion database. So just go to add Notion database and click on add Notion database over here. And once you are in this page, you can start adding the database. So click on select pages, make sure you choose the right account. Click on select pages and just simply copy the database value from here, what you have. So copy this and put it inside this search box. It will show us the proposal database. Select this and you can see the proposal database is added. Let me remove this project proposal and click on allow access. So this will give access to the database. You can simply refresh the page once and it will automatically load all the databases as per your requirement. So as you can see, the project proposal database, sorry, the business proposal database which we added is already present over here. Click on next. Now we need to add this template file. So I'll just copy this template value. So let me select this and I'll copy this template value and I will just click on add Google Doc and I will put the template name inside the search field. Okay, I'll search for it and you can see the business proposal database showing over here. Click on this and click on select. So now what you can see is the business proposal template file loaded up and I have all the Notion properties visible on the right side, which I can use for the automation. So first thing that I need to do is I need to start mapping all these fields one by one onto the document, and we need to do it once and then the entire automation can work on forever. So first is the business name. So what I'll do is I will simply type the business name over here. So let me see if I have a name. So I have the client company name. So let me copy this. So just click to copy this value. Go over to the document where you need to put it. Just remove the part which is not needed and simply paste it. So Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay, use a keyboard for this. Then we need the title field. So let me search for the title. So click to copy and paste it over here. Okay. So again, Control V or Command V to paste it. I'm going to go and map two to three more fields. So let's say this is the company name. So this is the client company name. So I'll click to copy and I will paste it. And then we have the prepared by. So let me search for prepared by. Let me search for the name itself so we can get a name. So I'm just randomly putting some information over here which can be mapped. So you can obviously create your database correctly and then you can map all the fields. Okay. So I've just entered few of the values over here and we have mapped four different fields by simply copying and pasting the things on the document. Now let me click on download PDF and you can see there are certain options available. So obviously once you map all the fields that is required, you can click on download PDF and I will go with generating all the PDFs. That is for all the records, okay? And I want to name the files as per this client name which I have. So I will just select client name from this drop down and then I'll click on start. So it will start generating me the PDF files, reading the information one by one from the database and it will create the files by the client name reference. So let us wait as the files are getting downloaded and then we can start viewing the files one by one. So as you can see, it has successfully generated all the files. Let's go to the downloads folder and let's check how the output has come out to be. So first is Delta Solutions and you can see it has mapped the fields which we had mapped earlier, fetching the value from the database. So we had defined only four information from the database and it has correctly mapped the items. Let's check for Gamma Innovations and you can see Gamma Innovations has been added. And let's check for Beta Limited and you can see the Beta Limited part has also been added. So basically we have three files created and all the three files have the mappings done correctly and everything is looking precisely clean. This is how simple and easy it is to add the database, add the document, and simply map the fields to generate the PDF files. So if you are in need of any help other than this, simply reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can assist you or help you with any queries. Or you can use this chat box to send me a message with whatever queries you're having, and I'll be happy to take up issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.